Hey, what's up everyone? Check out this new pickleball paddle set that I just received from the brand to try out. Now, this pickle paddleball set includes 2 paddles, 4 outdoor balls, and 2 indoor balls. And let's go ahead and take a look to see what else is in here. All right, I love this bag. It feels like it's nice, durable quality. All right, we got the outdoor balls, and then we have the indoor ones. And, ooh, look at this. Wow, so if you are a fan of astronomy, you are definitely going to like these paddles. And there are 2 different patterns as well. Look at this. It's just so shiny. And as far as the grip, it feels great. It's like this nice kind of almost like this rubber or plastic material, but it does have that nice grippy feeling to it, and it's got a little give, so you can see it move in a little bit, so it's got a really nice grip to it. It also does come with 2 replacement grips, so as you use your paddles, they may get worn out, so that's great. I love that the bag has like this little inner bag right here, so you can keep your balls or other things right there. And then, of course, you have this outer bag right here as well. So, hope you all found this helpful. Have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.